Yesterday, we did take our account from $100 to $200. Basically, we did double the account. In this video, we're going to take the challenge one step further, and you can join me on this. We're going to take it from $200 to $500. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. And also, if you want to see the video from yesterday, I will leave a link up there just right now, and you can see the video first where we double the account. Also, if you want the bot that we're using in this video and the video from yesterday, it's completely for free, work on desktop and on cell phone. You find link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Now let's start the challenge and let's see if we can take the account to $500. So instead of just taking the account from $200 to $500, I did take to $500 profit. So basically, we did take the account from $200 to $700 account. And I will say that is a pass of a challenge. We did take 15 trades, 11 winners, 4 losses, and 73% win rate. So if you want to take this challenge also, of course, be aware that a risk when we are trading so hard. But yesterday, I will leave the video over there now, by the way. We did take the account from 100 to 200, we doubled. And today we did take the account from $200 to $700. So, want to follow this challenge also? Make sure also you get this binary option robot. It's completely for free. You find link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. And of course, it's completely for free and it's for desktop and for cell phone. So with that, have an amazing day and I'll see you on the next.